So now let's talk lighting and exposure. When you open your camera app on the OPPO Find X5 Pro, it will automatically default to auto exposure. This can be great for certain circumstances, as the phone will constantly be searching for the focus point and will adjust exposure accordingly. However, this can change the lighting dramatically if you have a lot of movement in your scene. There definitely will be some instances where you want to take control and lock in your exposure to the scene accordingly. Here in this frame, it's overexposed. I'd like to make the foreground and the sky a little bit darker for a more cinematic feel. To do this, I slightly tap on the screen and I can bring the exposure up or down until I'm happy. Once I've found that perfect point, I can lock in the exposure and I'm ready to record my clip. When using the Pro Movie mode, you also have the option to monitor the exposure on the histogram on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So now that your exposure and focus is dialed in, let's talk about lighting. Personally, my favourite time of day to shoot is golden hour, which occurs after sunrise and before sunset. Shooting at this time means that the light is less harsh than in the middle of the day, resulting in soft and warm tones. Ultimately though, this does depend on what you are trying to achieve. Another good tip is to remember to use the light that you have available. For instance, today I'm in a room, I have no lighting equipment, but I am using the light from the window next to me to light the scene.